Hey, hello kids, how are you today? I'm very good, thank you. Okay, here we are today talking about the solar system. Yes, our solar system is made of 8 planets that orbit the sun. Those planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, Mercury is the closest to the sun, but Venus is the hottest. Oof, so hot in here. And Neptune, ooh, is the coldest because it's the farthest from the sun. Okay, and as you can see, Jupiter is the biggest of them all. Some of these planets are made of gases, like Jupiter and Saturn, yes, and some of them are made of rocks like Mars with very high mountains. Some of them are made of ice like Uranus and Neptune, very cold planets. And we have the Earth made of lots of water and some land. Good. So let's have a look at this very cool video about the solar system, all the planets. Okay, you can watch it at home. Yes, I'm gonna just show you how it starts. You can put it on YouTube and take a look. Okay, good. Let's continue. Okay, so we're gonna see how the solar system is made of planets, stars, moons, and asteroids. Okay, let's start with the planets. Okay, the planets are made of rocks, gases, yes, and ice. Yes, some of them are very, very cold because they're freezing ice. The planets, they don't produce light. No, 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 no. They are not stars like the sun. No. They receive the light from the sun, but they don't produce light. In the planets you can find mountains, yes, bigger than the Everest. Seas, rivers, volcanoes, storms, rings, etc. Yes, the planets are very busy with all these. And even one of the planets is made of diamond. Yes, it's called the diamond planet. It's not in our solar system. No, no, no. It's far, far away. It looks like this. If you cut the planet, you can see inside these precious stones, the diamonds. Good. So they're made of rocks, gases, ions, and even diamonds. Good. The stars are made of gases. Yes, they are not made of rocks. No, 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 no. They're made of gases and they produce light. That's why we can see them during the night. When there is no sun, the light of the sun, you can see the light of the other stars in the universe. Yes, in our galaxy. Ooh. The closest star to the Earth is obviously the sun, okay? The sun. We call the sun. Okay, and then we have the moons. The moons are satellites, yes, satellites that orbit, that go around the planet, a planet. Okay, they do not produce the light. No, no, no. They receive the light from the stars too, okay? Look, Mercury has no moons, 0 moons. Venus has 0 moons too. Oh, but Earth, we have 1 moon. This is the Earth's moon, yeah? Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter has 63. Saturn 64. 62, sorry. Uranus 27 and Neptune 13 moons, okay? Look, these are moons of other planets, and this is our moon. Okay, and then we have the asteroids. Asteroids are small rocky, made of rocks, yes, rocky bodies orbiting the sun. Yes, they are like big or small rocks orbiting the sun, go around the sun. Yes, and there is an asteroid belt between Mars. This is Mars, orbiting the sun. Yes, and Jupiter. Yes, the biggest planet of the solar system. So between Jupiter and Mars, there are a lot of asteroids, and all of them together, they're called the asteroid belt. Good. Okay, should we have a look at the Earth? The Earth? Yeah, let's go to the Earth. Let's visit the Earth. Here we are. Hello, says the Earth. I am the Earth. I am the planet where you live. Hello. And, oops, look, this country is Spain. Okay, the country where you live. Hello. The planet Earth. In the planet Earth, different type of beings live thanks to two things. The water. Look, how much water. Yes, it's full of water. That's why the planet Earth is also called the blue planet. Yes, the blue planet, because it has so much water around. So you can find the water in the seas and the oceans, the rivers, yes? And then the other thing that makes the life possible in the Earth is the sun. Yes, of course, is the sun. Good. But before that, let's have a look at what kind of living beings we can find in the Earth. Well, we can find, of course, animals, all types of animals, big, small. And then the plants also are living beings that live thanks to the water and the light of the sun. And then, yes, the humans, we people live thanks to the water and the sun in the Earth. Excellent. So this is the sun. Yes. The Earth takes 24 hours to turn around itself. Yes, one time. So in this time we have the daytime and the night time. Look, this is Spain, and we are in the daytime, and we're having lunch, and it's gonna be dark. We're gonna have supper in a while, and then we're gonna go to bed to sleep. And then we're going to sleep for 10 hours. And then it's going to be again daytime in the morning. We're going to go to school, blah, blah, blah. Okay, around and around. One day goes by. Good? Excellent. So the sun is the biggest star in our system, in our solar system. The sun gives us light. Yes. Thanks to the sun we can see during the day, because there is a lot of light, and the heat. Okay, the sun gives us heat. It's warm because of the sun. Okay, but what happened in the other side? Look, the sun is giving us the light and the heat in this side, but in the other side, it's night time. There is no light and no heat because the sun doesn't get there. Okay, so in the daytime we have the light and the heat, and in the night time we don't have it. Good. Okay, so this is the Earth going around every day, 24 hours, yes. And here you can see the part where the sun is giving us the light, yes. And the other side is dark, is in the night, like this, yes. The sun gives us the light in this side, but in the other side, there is no light. Okay, so this part of the day is the night, of course. It's night. We don't see anything because there is no light from the sun. Okay, as the Earth spins around, goes around and around, the light changes, and we say that the sun is coming up. And when this happens, we call this sunrise. Okay, so the sun was there, it was night, and now Now the sun is waking up and going up. Is the sunrise. When the earth has gone half a spin, yes, 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 we are in the middle of the day, and we call this midday. Okay, the sun was here in the sunrise, now it's going up. It looks like, but it's not the sun, it's the earth that is going around. And now it's midday. Yes, the sun is high in the sky. Good. It's very warm and hot. Okay, and you have a very short shadow because the sun is up. And then the earth continues going around, and the light of the sun is changing. The sun looks like it's going down. When it's going down, we call it sunset. Sunset. Okay, the sun was there and now it's going down. Okay, look at the shadow. The shadow is again long. Good. It gets darker, no light, and is not so hot. It's getting cold. And then, finally, the earth makes the whole spin. And then it's dark again. Okay? It's dark again. It's the night. Night. Okay? So, let's have a look. When it's sunrise, what do we do in the sunrise? What do we do? We wake up, yes. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go to school. Let's go to school. Well, let's have breakfast. We have breakfast. Yes, we have breakfast. Excellent. And after breakfast, what do we do? Yes, we go to school. We go to school. Excellent. And then at midday, yes, when the sun is up, we stop for lunch. We stop and we eat. Yes, in the dining room with the other classmates or at home. And then the sun is getting down, it's the sunset. And we have dinner at home with our family. Yes, and we go to bed. Yes, excellent. So, and at night we sleep for 10 hours. Ooh. So we can be very strong and ready to study next day. Good. So this is the process of the light. This is how the light changes because of the earth goes around the sun. Okay? Sunrise, midday, sunset, night. The earth goes around and changes the light. Yes? Sunrise, midday, sunset, night. The earth goes around and changes the light. Excellent. Good. Thank you, Earth. Let's go and see the moon. Oh, the moon is the only satellite of the Earth. The moon orbits around the Earth, yes, and it takes to go around once 1 month. This is another nice video about the moon. Yes, look, this is the moon. The moon going around the Earth, orbiting, yes? It takes 1 month to go around once. These are images of the moon, yes, going around the Earth. 1 month. 1 month of pictures. Good. Now we're gonna see the moon, and then the moon is getting bigger, is waxing. And bigger is waxing, bigger, bigger, bigger. And now, when it's half, almost, it's quarter moon, or half moon. Yes, half moon or quarter moon. And then, it makes bigger, it gets bigger and bigger, until it's full moon. You can see the whole moon, okay, like a circle, like a complete circle. Okay, so now the moon was waxing, was getting bigger, and now it's gonna do the other thing. It's getting smaller, waning. Waning is when it's getting smaller, 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 disappear. Okay, excellent. So, how do we see the moon from the Earth? Look, this is the waxing when it's getting bigger, remember? So, how do we know that it's waxing? Okay, look at the moon at night and put your right hand, in front of your eyes and look at the moon. If you can put the moon between your fingers like this, it means that it's waxing, it's getting bigger until it's full moon, and then starts getting smaller, it's waning. When it's waning, when you put your left hand, when you look at the moon with your left hand, with your fingers like this, and the moon fits your hand, okay, that is waning. Okay, so waxing fits your right hand, waning fits your left hand. Waxing, getting bigger, waning, getting smaller. Good. Okay, excellent. So let's do a couple of exercises. What is the opposite of dark? What do you think? There are many possibilities. Daytime, light, sunrise, or hot? Yes, is that light. Good. What is the opposite of sunset? Remember, sunset is when the sun is getting down. Of course, it's sunrise when the sun is getting up. And what is the opposite of nighttime? Yeah? Well, of course, it's daytime. And the opposite of cold is hot. Yes, excellent. Let's have a look at these. Can you connect these? Star, planet, solar system, and satellite? What is these? A star, a planet, a solar system, or a satellite? Well, if you can see the 8 planets and the sun, it must be the solar system, of course. Well, what is this yellow big star? The sun, yes, it's a star. What about these? The blue or the earth is a planet, of course. And these are different parts of the moon, and the moon is a satellite. Excellent. Let's continue. The sun goes around the earth. Oh, is it true? What do you think? No way, no way. The sun, no, the earth goes around the sun. Yes. Living things, living beings, in order to survive, they need what? Light, heat, and water? Or dark and cold weather? Or the moon? What do you think? Yes, of course, they need the light and the heat, the sun and the water. The sun is a planet, satellite, or star? What do you think? Yes, it's a star. Excellent. What about the night? Is hot and bright, cold and dark, or dark and hot? Dark and hot, I don't think so. Hot and bright, I don't think so. Yes, cold and dark because the sun doesn't get there. When the sun looks like it's coming up, we call these the sunset, the midday, the sunrise, or the night. Remember the song? Sunrise, midday, sunset, night. Yes, is the sunrise, of course. When the sun looks like going down, we call it oof. Sunrise, no. Night, I don't think so. What about sunset? Yes. Children, bedtime is around midday, sunset or sunrise? Sunrise, no. Midday, no. We eat lunch, so it has to be sunset. Good. Waning is when the moon is getting what? Bigger or smaller? What do you think? Waxing and waning. Remember, waxing with your right hand, waning with your left hand. So, it's getting bigger or smaller? Of course, smaller. With your left hand is waning, is getting smaller. Okay, let's match these Let's have a look. Night, sunset, midday, and sunrise. Wake up and have breakfast, lunch, have dinner and bedtime. Sleep for 10 hours. Oh, I know this. Yes. I sleep for 10 hours during the night. Excellent. What do you do? Midday. Do you wake up at midday? No. Do you have dinner at midday? No. You have lunch. And what do you do at sunrise? Gling, ding, ding, ding. Wake up. Yes, wake up and have breakfast. And finally, you have dinner and go to bed at sunset. Yes, excellent. Okay, so I think we finished everything. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed this session about the solar system and see you soon. Bye bye.